Ever wondered why some salespeople excel while others struggle? The secret lies in understanding the difference between prospecting and selling. These are two distinct phases, each requiring unique skills and strategies. Prospecting is about opening doors and starting conversations. It's the initial step where potential clients are identified and engaged. Selling, however, involves guiding these prospects through a sales process to close deals. To succeed in prospecting, embrace resilience and positivity. Approach each interaction with high energy, knowing not every conversation will lead to a sale, but each is a chance to learn and grow. Maintain consistent enthusiasm regardless of the day's outcomes. Whether you secure 3 new accounts or none, your energy at every new business should reflect that of a successful salesperson.
Hey, real quick, guys, I just want to say thank you for watching and allowing me a second to promote how you can further your merchant sales business. If you aren't completely sold on your current provider, then consider supporting my efforts to educate the industry for free by visiting easydirectsales.com to see if we're the right partners for you to work with. I really appreciate your support over the years. And if you're enjoying the content, then please remember to hit that like button and comment your future topic ideas.
Focus on what you can control, your actions and efforts. Commit to reaching out, engaging, and following through consistently. Reflect on your daily efforts to ensure you've done everything possible. Use reflection to fuel future efforts and maintain momentum. By evaluating your actions, you can identify areas for improvement and continue to refine your prospecting strategy. When you never stop prospecting, it allows you to apply your insights to future opportunities and increase the size of your portfolio. Respect that not everyone will sign up on the first visit, but always aim to close the deal. Don't hesitate to ask for the business during each interaction, addressing any questions promptly. Prioritize closing the deal first with follow-up as a secondary focus. By doing so, you'll maximize your chances of success and build a robust pipeline for future opportunities.